Hello everybody, it is me, AcePilot109, also known as Captain John. Today I'm going to be reviewing this tiny little RC tank. And yeah, this will be just a quick simple overview and a tutorial on how to use it. Now in the package you will get the tank, the controller, and the instruction manual, and some little red cones, which I didn't use at all because they're just dumb little red cones. Make sure to read the user manual, but if you're watching this video, I'm already covering the user manual. So the first thing I'm going to go over is how to charge it. So as you can see, you take the controller, you turn it on, make sure the tank is off, then you make sure the controller is on, and then plug it into the tank, and the charging light will turn on. It will glow green. Now when the green light turns off, that means that it is finished charging, and you can now unplug it and put the charging cord back into the little container that comes with the controller. Alright, now I'm going to cut over to not voice over me, and I'm going to be showing you how to operate the tank. This is quite simple, so you may want to skip this part and just see it running around. So the timestamp for that will be, right here. These treads are kind of loose. This is not, the best treaded tank, but it is only $13, and it's tiny, so it works okay. And these tracks just pop off. Just be careful not to stretch them, because then they will never be slightly tight again. And not sure if you can see this, but they are pretty much just rubber bands with little bits on them that help it stick in the wheel better. So, right, let's get to the how to use it. So there's the switch right here on the bottom and the charger. I've already demonstrated how to charge, but you're going to flip it on. There's no lights telling you it's on, but it says on and off. And the controller on, also no lights telling you it's on. But when you press the button, you see a light turns on, and the tank does stuff. Now remember to extend the antenna. So this is right, left, straight, back, and this button here will turn on and off high rates. So now the tank will move a lot faster. So in high rates, driving on grippy surfaces like this carpet, which you can get under the tread, will cause you to lose a tread. So yeah, that's pretty easy, but yeah, that's a simple operation. And one last note, whenever you click a button and that light turns on, the light on the tank turns on every time there's an input. You can also turn the turret and the machine gun, which is kind of cool. You have to do this by hand, not on the controller, but 13 bucks, that's what you get. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. And now I'm gonna take it outside and I'm gonna drive this thing around and see how it does off-road. Now that we're off-roading, you can see that this tank is actually quite capable. For 13 bucks, it's a pretty good little RC tank. I would say it's probably better than an RC car of the same value, but that's also due to it being much smaller and only needing 2 motors and no weird steering mechanism because it's quite simple. This tank obviously cannot do everything. It is very small and it is definitely not water resistant. Now you might be worried about the treads coming off, which does happen quite a bit once you go off-roading. It mostly happens when you're in high rates mode, which means you're going much faster, and when you're turning in place because stuff gets caught up under that track and it just makes the tread slip out from the wheel, which is no good. Other than that, as you can see, this tank is quite capable in my little garden. Now, it can't really do tall grass like what would be normally in a yard or anything, but it can do little rough patches and gardens and little dirt spots. But all in all, I would say this thing is most capable of just driving around on the floor or your desk. Now, as I'm driving around, go ahead and do the outro. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope this was useful in some way. And I've never seen this product at Hobby Lobby before, but I will say it's really cool for the price, and I think it's a great little gift. And as I said earlier, there is other variations of this tank, so if you go to their website, which I will try to find and put it in the description, probably be an Amazon link of some kind, you can see the other variations of the tank, and the price will probably fluctuate, but I got mine for $13, and it's definitely worth probably $15, so you get what you pay for, and it's a neat little RC tank that you can run around with.